everybody, today it's my birthday and I'm gonna open one of my birthday presents. So let's get started. Whoa, this is huge. And remember, this is from my family member. Let's see.
Look at that message. A gift for you,
what's
Rahul Chaurasia.
this? A gift for you, Rahul Chaurasia. Happy birthday, Rudra, from Rahul Chaurasia. Yay! Let's see. I'm gonna open and see what's inside. Whoa! It looks like it's something made of Lego. Oh, wow! Let's see. It's a gun! Yeah. How did they fit this? I just have to move that corner. Whoa! Look at this! Let's see. How will I open this tape? So let's open this thing. Oh, wow! Look at this. 2 guns. Oh. Think I put it together. Think I put this here. There. Oh, this is an aimer. Cool. Now, okay. I have to get 4 of these pieces. Oh, wait. So then, there should be 4. Now, what do I have to do? I have to get number 3. Where is it? So, this one here. Then, I gotta get this one here. Then, I get another one of these. And then I get this here. And then I need this here. Then I need that same small one. Okay. Here. Okay, what? Then I need this. Then I need this. There, the base is done. Now we'll make the upper part to put in the shooter. Now I need this. There. I need to do this and connect that. So I think it's like this. Then another one of those pieces. This is very high. Ooh. need a chair. Ugh. Let's see now. Okay. Very light. If this was on the ground, I'm much taller. Now I need this. I wonder how I'm going to join it on the corners. Put in the balls from here. I don't think I have to put one by one. Okay, maybe I have to.
Start.